In today's video, we are going to show you how to change the language on chess.com. This is super helpful if chess.com is showing the wrong language or you just want to switch to one you are more comfortable with. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials, and then I want you to scroll down on the bottom left corner of your screen and click the gear icon that says All Settings. Now, from here, I want you to hover to the profile and then scroll down until you find the option that says Language. From here, click the language option and choose the language that you are comfortable or you want to use, or your preferred language. It's up to you. You will see a list of available languages, and from here, for example, we're going to choose Italiano. Okay? And then once you've done that, I want you to click the save button. It's super simple. And once it refresh, automatically it will be changed to the language that you selected, which is Italian. Now, by default, since I am using Google Chrome, it automatically gives me an option to translate it to English. Right here. Okay? Now, if you wanted to go back and of course change it again, all I have to do is super simple. I wanted to go back again to the language at the bottom. Right here. And click the English to revert it back. It's super simple, and click the save button. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to change the language in chess.com. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.